Hello students, welcome to Standard 11 Lesson 4 Kingdom Animalia. In this, today we are going to study phylum Annelida. Here the meaning of annulus means ring. So this phylum is called as Annelida because their body is having ring-like structures. Commonly they are called as ringworm or segmented worm. Let us study first the examples of these phylums. The first example is Nereis. Commonly, this Nereis is called as ragworm or it is also called as clamworm. Second example is earthworm. Earthworm is a terrestrial invertebrate and these earthworms are considered to be a good biological indicator of soil health. They are also called as friend of farmer. Third example is leech, which is also called as Hirudinea. Most leeches are blood-sucking parasites which are attached themselves to vertebrate host. They bite through the skin and extract the blood. Phylum Annelida. Characters how to remember. There are many characteristics of this phylum. Okay, but let us study a short trick with the help of which you can remember most of the characters. Now what is the sentence? HC boat में नीलम. HC boat में नीलम. You are going to remember this sentence with the help of which you can remember most of the characteristic of this phylum. H stand for habitat. What do you mean by habitat? The organism who stays. Okay, that place is called as habitat. Parasitic. Few organisms are parasitic. Parasitic means either they are ectoparasite or endoparasite. Some organisms are free living also. Some organisms are aquatic means lives in water. Some organisms are terrestrial means they live on land. It means variety of organisms you will get in this phylum. C stand for close vascular system and C stand for coelomate also. Now what do you mean by close vascular system? In close vascular system, the blood vascular system is close means the blood is present inside the blood vessel. Coelomate means body cavity. Body cavity is present in this organism. B stand for bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means if you cut this organism in this plane, it divides the organism into two equal half. Such a symmetry is called as bilateral symmetry. O stand for organ system. Now what do you mean by organ system? In organ system, different organs are formed by gathering of the tissues. The cells, the basic level we know that the cells are present in the organism. These cells come together to form tissues. Different tissues come together to form organ. Okay. So, organs, different organs, they perform different functions. T stand for triploblastic. 3 germ layers are present in those organisms: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. M stand for metameres. What do you mean by metameres? Suppose this is organism, these annulus or ring-like structures are present due to which the body is segmented. These segments are called as metameres. These segments are called as metameres. Okay. Now let us see the examples. N stand for Nereis, which is dioecious means unisexual. Okay. In Nereis, parapodia, these organs are used for swimming purpose. E stand for earthworm, it is monoecious or bisexual. What is monoecious? Both the sexes are present in the same organism. Such organisms are monoecious or they are called as bisexual. Okay. Dioecious means two different sexes are present. Now here L stand for leech, which is also called as Hirudinea. A stand for Annelida, which represents the phylum, and M stand for muscles. Longitudinal as well as circular muscles are present for locomotion. So this is all about phylum Annelida.